to another video. Today, as you saw in the title, I'm going to be making my 3 favorite pre-workout meals, starting off with my protein pancakes. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to heat your pan up. So go ahead and start heating your pan up while you get your ingredients. And I'll show you all the ingredients and how to mix everything together. Alrighty guys, so we only have 6 ingredients. We got egg whites is the first ingredient. You're going to do 2 egg whites, 1 scoop of PE Science Snickerdoodle protein powder. Then you're going to do 60 grams of the Bisquick Heart Healthy mix and 1 tablespoon of PB Fit. And then I add about 1 serving of the syrup on top, and then you're going to need some water to top everything off with. So we're going to start with the Bisquick. So about 60 grams of Bisquick. And you guys, it really does not matter what pancake mix you use. I just use the Bisquick because I find it makes them a lot more fluffy. So next up, we're going to do 1 tablespoon, not 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of PB Fit. And it's going to be about 8 grams of that. Perfect. And then 1 scoop of protein powder. Whatever protein y'all want to use. I find the whey and casein mix works a lot better. So, that's good. And then last up, we're going to add our egg whites. Actually, first, go ahead and scoop the dry ingredients and mix the dry ingredients together. So I call these like my Snickerdoodle peanut butter protein pancakes. There's a lot of other flavors you can do, but these are pretty good. So we're going to go 2 servings of egg whites, which is going to be... Actually, we're only going to do 1.5 servings. So you want to do about 69 grams of egg whites. Then go ahead and mix it up. Start mixing until you can't mix anymore. And then we're going to add about 2 ounces of water to it. So you want to mix until you get a consistency like this. And then once you have this consistency, you're pretty much good to go. And I'm going to use these to kind of shape my pancakes. Make sure you spray them with some pan cooking spray, but it should be good to go. Alright guys, final macros on these: 392 calories, 45 grams of carbs, only 6 grams of fat, and 40 grams of protein. Amazing pre-workout meal. Let me give you all a quick taste test and then we'll get on to the next pre-workout meal. Get a good bite there. Incredible. Definitely give these a try if you're looking to kind of change up your pre-workout meal. So good. Alright, what is up you guys? This is going to be my second pre-workout meal out of the 3 that I'm going to be showing y'all in the video today. And I am making a breakfast crunch wrap. So what you're going to need is a burrito tortilla, 1 tostada, some low-fat or fat-free cheese, an egg, and some egg whites, and I'm adding some guac to mine as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting off, you just want to crack your 1 egg into your bowl. So now that you have your egg cracked into your bowl, you want to throw some egg whites in there. Now, egg white, it's just to your preference. I'm going to go ahead and do probably about 200 milliliters of egg whites. And then what you want to do is you want to mix this up. Make sure you have your pan preheating before you start this. But go ahead and mix this up, add some salt and pepper to your eggs, and then I will show you all the rest. Alright, I have all this mixed up now. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the pan, and we will continue the video. Alright you guys, so once you have your eggs on the pan, go ahead and grab your burrito tortilla and just lay it out on a plate. Then you just want to wait for your eggs. You're going to put your eggs in the center of this tortilla, and then we'll add all the toppings once we get our eggs done. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished cooking the eggs. I put them in the center of my burrito, or my Crunchwrap, and now we're gonna add one of the tostadas just right on top of these eggs. Perfect. And then we're gonna add about 50 grams of this guacamole. Make sure you keep your pan on whenever you are filling your burrito up, because you're gonna want to use your pan. We're gonna take 28 grams of this cheese and just put it on top of the guac. Now, we're just gonna fold it up and we're gonna throw it in the pan. So all you do to fold it up is fold your corner in. Fold all the corners in. Just like that, we're gonna throw it on the pan. And you just want to let it cook for a few minutes on each side, and it will be good to go. I'll show you all the final product and give you all a taste it. Alright you guys, I just finished making the Crunchwrap, breakfast Crunchwrap, and this is my second pre-workout meal. Guess, if you can guess what tomorrow's pre-workout meal is going to be, then I will, ship you some PE science samples. Guess what tomorrow's pre-workout is in the description below. Pause the video now and guess. And I might ship you some samples. Also, my giveaway, I'm going to announce the winner on Saturday. So I'm going to be giving away some more samples, as you saw on the video on Tuesday. And so if you'll just comment down below and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win some of those samples that I have. But let me give you all a taste test. That's absolutely incredible. Definitely try to make one of these. It's not that hard to make. Pretty easy to make. Does not take that long. Definitely, we're going to have to give this a 9.256 out of 10. Alright you guys, the third pre-workout meal I'm going to make is probably the simplest, and it only has like 6 ingredients. It's very easy to make. So pretty much you want to start off, it's going to be some French toast. So start off with 1 scoop of your protein powder, and then mix 1 little dash of this ground cinnamon in there, and we'll mix that up together, and then we'll add our liquids in there. Make sure you preheat your pan to medium. just finished making my protein French toast, my third pre-workout meal. This is my all-time favorite pre-workout meal. It makes 4 pieces, and I'll have all the ingredients to all 3 of the recipes down below in the description. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed my dad's little parody he did. It was kind of him making fun of me, but anyways, let me give y'all a taste test, and I'm gonna wrap the video up. Those are pretty good. I'm going to give these a 9.897 out of 10. Absolutely incredible. Definitely try to make these yourself. Let me give you the macros for the whole meal. I went ahead and threw a Okios Greek yogurt in here because these are pretty low calorie. So, whole pre-workout meal has 453 calories in it, 58 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, very low in fat, and 61 grams of protein. That's insane. Incredible macros on these. Definitely try these out. And anyways, I'm going to wrap the video up here. I'm going to start daily vlogging here pretty soon, so hopefully y'all join me for those. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, like and subscribe below. Anyways, see y'all next time. Peace out, like always.
Awesome. Now, when you buy your bread, get you some light bread, okay? Means you can live longer. Light, okay? It's healthier for you. This right here is what Cade Curtis takes every morning. Egg whites. That's why he's so handsome. He's got just a phenomenal complexion. The girls love him. Love the kid.